Welcome to Denver Community Media's Online Academy. I'm Austin, and today we're going to look at nodes in DaVinci Resolve. All right, jumping into Resolve, we're going to be on the color page here, and we're going to take a look at nodes today. So what nodes do is they hold your effects, your color grades, whatever you're adding on in this color page. And the order of your nodes is important, and where you apply effects within those nodes. So basically, let's just start here. This is your input. This is where the incoming video, the original video is. And it sends out into each node, and then through each node, and down here to the output. This is your final output. So whatever you do first gets sent out to the next one and to the next one. If I do something here, and it loses some data, I do not have that in the next node. Or if I make a change here, this node is working on that changed video, as if it were being exported from here into this. It's not working back on the original video. That's really important when working with LUTs and color, because whatever you take out, such as putting on your LUT here, will not be going forward. That's why we tend to put a LUT later down in the node tree and then go back and make our basic corrections in front of it where all that data from shooting and log is still there. One way I like to display this is through saturation. So if I come into this node and desaturate, you can see it goes black and white. When I go down to a later node, I cannot just boost saturation, add that back in. It is gone. All that color information is gone. So whatever you do in earlier nodes, that is what gets sent to the later nodes, not the original video. One last thing about nodes, you can make a whole bunch of them. You can right click, go into add node, you can add serial before, and a whole bunch of other types of nodes, parallels, ones that run along each other, outside nodes if you are working with mats and alpha channels, and of course the shortcuts to add these quickly. And then you can even create groups of nodes and rename them here with a node label. You can actually put a label over it. So if you like to just keep everything organized that way, I tend to just keep the same order here, so I just kind of know where it's where. But if you're working with a whole lot of nodes, you may want to start grouping them and labeling them. Hope you found this helpful. If you like more videos like this, please give us a like, follow, and subscribe.